Hey everyone, it's Moccasin driver. I'm going to install these chip guards on my S2000. The chip guards are made by Megachip. Let's give it a whirl. Here's what comes with the Megachip kit. Some alcohol prep pads. Instructions and all 4 of the chip guards. It even comes with this cute little Phillips screwdriver. Here are their instructions. I'm going to start by taking this screw off here. I'm going to clean this area using this alcohol prep pad that's included. Alright, I got the chip guard in place. They say just to put the screw on enough, just so it holds on, and then take off the stickers and then place it. I'm now peeling the stickers so I can put it in place. The top one is in place now. I'm going to go ahead and peel this back part off. I've got it sticked on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tighten the screw all the way. The rear is installed. Now I'm going to start taking off the screws on the front. Time for the alcohol prep. Screws are on. You get to pick whether you want it more narrow or wider. I'm probably going to go in the middle. And right now I'm going to take off this sticker and place it. Finalizing the tightening of this little screws. There she is, fully installed on both sides. Looks pretty clean. OEM look while protecting your car from all the rocks that fly up from your sticky tires. Alright, thanks for watching. Consider the chip guards from Megachip. I saw him on some old S2000 forums recommending these. He even started his own business. So, give him a look. Thanks for watching.